Hey everybody, I just got this flamethrower, so let's check it out. Okay, so this is a high quality textured material design. Has an ergonomic hand grip. Has some switches on here where you have the ignition. You can adjust the flame size, and you have a safety lock on top. So now I'm going to fill it up with some butane. Okay, so we're going to adjust this to start, and we're going to pull the ignition. So you can do the different size here. You can adjust it. And you can even lock it. It stays on without the ignition. I just made this creme brulee, so now let's torch the top. This torch really allows you to make some elegant dinners, especially if you have a dessert like this creme brulee. You definitely won't get something like this at a restaurant, much better at home. It's so easy to fill this with a butane and to make all kinds of dishes. If you want to make barbecue, creme brulee, baked Alaska, anything that you want to make, this is a good torch to do that. I think you'll enjoy this torch as much as I do.